welcome back to Words of Encouragement. I gotta tell you about this hilarious memory that I have. I was out to visit my sister years ago, and my brother-in-law was doing accompaniment for a play, a presentation that I wanted to go and see, but I was following in a different vehicle. Now this was pre-smartphone, and I did not have GPS in the car. Okay, so off he took at breakneck speed through the city with me careening behind him. At the end of this whole thing, he said something to me that I've pondered over the years. He said, "Tina, you are a great follower." I think due to the fact that I did not lose him and we did not die. Okay, but anyway, over the years I've pondered this. I've really thought about that. Tina, you are a great follower. And I have to admit that when he first said that to me, I was just slightly downcast, and I thought, well, isn't it better to be a great leader? Well, you know, there are a lot of great leaders in life, and it's wonderful if you are gifted with that. There's a lot of responsibility that comes with being a great leader as well. But how cool is it to also be called a great follower? And you know, as I pondered that over and over, it reminded me of Proverbs 18:24 that says, Christ is the friend who sticks closer than a brother. How wonderful is it for us to follow him so closely that we don't lose sight of him either. If you have not done that, I encourage you today, think of making Christ your Savior. And as you do, let it be said of you too, that you are a great follower of Christ. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time. Bye-bye.